Hi, this is Katina, and in this video, which I had originally intended to be an unboxing video, I'm going to show you a historical purchase that I made off of eBay. In 1993, I missed voting in my very first presidential election by 2 weeks, and I was very disappointed. It was Bush, Perot, and Clinton. I was bummed. I had to wait 4 more years before I could vote for a president. But that didn't stop me from voting in between. And Bill Clinton was remarkable as a president for many things, but one that stuck out to me as a band kid was that he played saxophone at his own inauguration. So Rico Reeds, which is now owned by D'Addario, they released, please hold, Inaugural Reeds in honor of President Bill Clinton. So I'll bring it a little bit closer so you can see, and I will read what is in this box. Now originally I was going to do unboxing the package and the box, but it's all sealed and it looks so nice, and it has the year, the year it was packaged, and it does say 2.5 for alto sax reeds, which is way too late for me, so I won't be using the reeds anyway, so I think I'm going to keep it in the package. But what's in the package is we have, it is a limited edition sampler, contains 2 plastic covered reeds, which I've actually never used the plastic covered reeds. I use the cane reeds and then the plastic reeds, but not plastic covered. So anybody that's used the plastic covered, let me know what you think of them. 1 filed cane reed, 1 unfiled cane reed, and 1 reed guard 4. So it's very nice and fancy. And the price is $19.93. Get it? $19.93. I see what you did there. And $1 from the proceeds of each sale will be donated to the National Coalition for Music Education. So it is 25 years later. Hopefully, you know, when this was originally purchased, the dollar went. But I am a little nerdy. I wanted my own presidential reeds. Some people get the presidential ornaments, you know, for their Christmas tree. No, not me. I want the presidential reeds. So thanks for watching. And this wasn't very expensive on eBay. I'm sure they pop up from time and time again, but I wanted to show you that. I thought it was pretty cool. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.